Hi, it's Miss Parrot at Rookery Swamp, and we've seen a ton of alligators. We've already seen ibises, we've already seen egrets, and right now, one of the main, tree-style birds we've seen are red-bellied woodpeckers. So we found one. It's pecking through this tree, and so just check out its behavior. Arg. Alright. So you can see, at the top of this hollowed out tree, the lighting's not great, but you can hear it and find it pecking from a long way. It's pretty loud, actually. Now, one way you know red-bellied woodpeckers is even if you can't see your belly, they have like a little red, back and top of their head. Their whole head isn't red. That's the easiest way to find them.